So we were discussing earlier the install of the US vinyl floorbending.com company bent our product for treads, stair treads, overlays. Tim had mentioned, you want to measure every tread for length because these stringers are going to vary, particularly in older houses. Every tread isn't going to be 36 inches. The product starts out at 48, so you'll have room to cut, and you absolutely should cut those treads, as Tim said earlier. This stair jig from the Woodwise company is available at cityfloorsupply.com. You'll be able to measure length as a template, stringer to stringer, and then you'll also be able to measure the angle that tread may be running in or out. It's a great tool. You could use this for standard retro treads or for the vinyl bend.
Recently, I had a renovation project where I was doing a set of steps in an old barn. And this product for the retro install was a lifesaver. Being able to use ability to measure that angle at degree off on each side made the install, which was just using a tape measure, impossible for somebody who doesn't do it all the time. With this, it made each cut exactly precise, and that was a lifesaver. So I started the project on the first two. It said stop, got the stair jig, and made the rest of the 15 cuts perfect.
One of the things, utilizing the stair jig is definitely the way to go with any set of steps, especially these guys, because in my meeting with multiple installers that are using this product now, one of the things that we did find is that if you cut these things in too tight, and this is not a piece of wood, so if you guys start using a rubber mallet and banging the fronts of these on, you're going to break a tread. This is plastic. You can't treat it like a piece of wood and start hammering on it. So you have to be a little bit more gingerly with this when you're putting them in. Don't cut them so tight, because if they jack one way or another while you're putting them in, it'll break a tread. You'll be on a job, you have 12 treads and you just broke one. Yep. So definitely be aware of that when you're putting these in. A little teeny gap here and there that you can caulk in and make look good will go a long way, as opposed to breaking a tread. So don't use the big rubber mallet and bang the crap out of them in the front there. So absolutely.